In this video, we'll see how to import data in software from Webtel Excel template. For this, click on the business vertical and select the month. Click on OK, then go to regular dealer and click on import data from accounting package. Here you can see the option of change accounting package is coming. From the list, select Webtel Excel template and click on next and save the settings. Now download the template and save it. In this template, you can see there are 6 sheets relating to sale, purchase, the debit credit note and advances. First of all, we'll see which data have to be inserted in the sheets. In the sales sheet, you have to enter GSTN of the recipient, party UIN, if any, name of the party, state, place of supply, invoice details like invoice number, invoice date, item value, HSN and SSC, goods or services, taxable value, quantity, UQC, IGST or CGST and SGST rate and amount, cess if applicable, supply type. In supply type, we have options of non-GST, export, deemed export, SEZ, bill rated and exempt. In reverse charge, you have to select yes or no. Port code, shipping details, e-commerce GSTN, voucher number and voucher date, and lease of old car. Similarly, in purchase, we have to enter details of GSTN of the supplier, name of the party, state, place of supply, invoice details, quantity, UQC, IGST or CGST and SGST rate and amount, cess if applicable. Eligibility of ITC, in this you have to select from input services, capital goods or none. And similarly enter the ITC as available to you. Now select yes if reverse charge is applicable, otherwise enter supply type, port code, voucher number and date and ineligible ITC. Similarly, you have to enter details in all the sheets and click on save. Now click on import. Now you have options of importing all the sheets in one go, or you can untick the sheets in which you don't want to import the data. We'll click on import and then select the sheet. Now you can see the sale register data is coming here. Click on save and continue. Similarly, import all the sheets. Here we are importing all the data in one go. Now all the data have been imported. Now in computation, you can see that it's the sales data, it's debit credit note, advances, purchase data, debit credit note and advances. So this is how we can import the data from Excel template in WebGST.